and width. Listen to the question and press the answer you think is correct. The three little pigs measured their windows with bricks. Which window is 5 bricks wide? Uh-oh. Here's a hint. Count the number of bricks to find out which window is 5 bricks wide. Uh-oh. Here's a hint. Count the number of bricks to find out which window is 5 bricks wide. Which picture shows a doghouse that is 4 bones wide? Let's try that again. Here's a hint. Count the bones that are lined up in front of each doghouse. Count the bones that are lined up in front of each doghouse. To find the one that is 4 bones lined up in front of each picture that shows a pumpkin that is 10 inches wide. Choose the picture that shows a toy truck that is 3 peanuts long. Here's a hint. That's not quite right. Count the peanuts that are lined up under each truck. To find the one that are lined up under each truck. To find the one that has 3 peanuts. Choose the picture that shows a carrot that is 6 inches long.
Yay! Great work! Let's see how you did! Nice job! You're a superstar!
You've earned some tickets. Keep playing to earn more. What activity would you like to play next?